start Algebraic Expression chapter number 6 of class 8. In previous classes we have also learned about algebraic expression, addition, subtraction of algebraic expression, and now we will discuss about multiplication and division of algebraic expression. So start from very basic. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means combination of many terms. Combination of many terms is known as algebraic expression. Here is the new word is terms. What is the meaning of terms? Terms, we can say variable like the x, y, z, m, t, u, v. The English alphabet are known as variable, represented by generally x, y, z. We can say constant value. Constant means all real number. Constant value, we can say the constant value is also a term like as 3, 4, 7, 9. These are also a term. And the multiplication of both variable and constant like as 7x, 5y, 3x square y, 7x square. So these are terms. Variable normally x, y, z, u, v, w, t. Constant value 3, 4, 7, 9. All real numbers, fraction form, integer, natural number, whole number, completely. These are not constant value. These are also a term. And the multiplication of both. Multiplication of both means in which variable is also and the constant value is also. Variable is also and the constant value is also. The combination of these. Let's take example. If I write 7x square y, it is a algebraic expression because in which variable and constant are present. I will write minus 3x plus 7. It is also a algebraic expression because in which variable and constant are present. Let's just write only 5. It is also a expression, but it is an arithmetic expression in which x, y are not present. These are known as arithmetic expression. So these are algebraic expression. So after that, there are the three types of algebraic expression. There are the three types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial. Three types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial. Monomial means single term. That is known as monomial. Means 3x, 7x square y minus 5xy. These are monomials because in these terms we can say single terms. In these algebraic expression only are the single terms. So this algebraic expression is known as monomial. Second one, binomial. Binomial means two different terms. Like as 3x plus 5. These are two unlike terms. Yeah, we can say different terms. The algebraic expression in which two unlike terms, or we can say different term, is known as binomial. Two terms, different terms, is known as binomial. 3x plus 5x is not a binomial because 3x and 5x are like term, and 3x plus 5x we can write 8x, or this is a monomial because it contains single terms. So if there are the two unlike terms, or we can say different terms, so the name is binomial. Same term, like term, it is not a binomial, it is a monomial. So after that, trinomial. Trinomial means three different, otherwise we can say unlike term present is known as trinomial, like as 3x square y plus 5xy plus 7. This is known as a trinomial. Monomial means single term, binomial means two different terms, trinomial means three different terms. What are the like term or unlike term? Define like term and unlike term. Let's see how we will define like terms and unlike terms. Here I will write some expression. Identify the like term and unlike term, like minus 2xy, 3xyz, minus 7ab, and 3yxz, and 3yx. So, finding the like terms. Like term means in which variable will be exactly same. Like term means variables are exactly same. Power of variable also equal, like this. In first expression there are the two variables x and y, in which the power of x and y are 1 and 1. Here are the y and x, in which also the power of y and x are 1, 1. It means these two expressions are like term. So like term are minus 2xy, 3yx. Like term add and subtract हो सकते हैं. Like term are in which variable part are exactly same. Same in x, y, z or y, x, z. Power of x, y, z, power of x, y, z in both algebraic expression are same. It means these two expressions are also like term. 3xyz and 3yxz. These and these are unlike term because in which xyz is variable, in which ab is a variable. These are also a unlike term because in which variable is xy and in this variable is xyz. So these are unlike term. So many unlike terms, but write only few terms. Minus 2xy, 3xyz. These are unlike terms because in these two terms the variable part is not exactly same. So this is the like term and unlike term. After the terms and coefficient and factor. Coefficient and factor of any term. In previous classes we have also discussed about coefficient and factor of any terms. Let's revise it. Like example, I am writing 7xy. Here coefficient of x is equals to x के अलावा remaining x, after x what will be remaining? Minus 7y. So here is the coefficient of x. x के अलावा इस expression में क्या है? That is known as coefficient of x. Coefficient of y, we can say minus 7x. Coefficient of xy, that is the minus 7. So here define the coefficient. Coefficient means coefficient of x meaning x के अलावा जो digit है, the digit remaining after x is known as minus 7y. So here are the coefficient. Factor of any term, like as this factor of minus 7x square y cube, minus 7x square y cube. Factor of this minus 7x square meaning x multiply x, y cube meaning y multiply y multiply y. Y cube meaning 3 times y in a multiplication. X square meaning 2 times x in a multiply. Here are the coefficient factor of any term. After that, degree of algebraic expression. Before degree, algebraic expression in one variable. Algebraic expression in one variable, like a 3x square plus 5x plus 7. This is the algebraic expression, yes or no? Because in which variable and constant are present. So this is the algebraic expression, and in which only one variable is present, that is x. Only one variable is present, that is x. So this is known as algebraic expression in one variable. These types of expression are in one variable. And the second example, 3x square y plus y cube plus xy. Like this expression are in two variables, because here are two variables x and y. And in many variables, 3x square y cube z square, 3x y z, y square z plus zx. So the three variables, many variables. So mostly we will discuss about these two: algebraic expression in one variable and algebraic expression in two variables. After that, degree of algebraic expression. Degree of algebraic expression means degree of algebraic expression in one variable. Let's take example: 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x plus 9. Algebraic expression in one variable. So the degree of this expression, degree is equals to highest power of variable. Highest power of variable, yeah, we can say maximum power of variable. Here the power of x is 1, here the power of x is 2, here the power of x is 3. So the highest power is 3. So degree is equals to 3. How much degree of this algebraic expression? 3, because the highest power of variable is 3. In many variables, let's take example: 2x power 6 y power 4 x square y cube x y power 7. There is the algebraic expression in two variables. So firstly, in each term, there are the three terms. So firstly, in each term, first of all find the sum of power. First of all, find sum of power in each term. So here the sum of power is y power 7, x power 1. The total power is 7 plus 1, 8. Here the 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. So the maximum power is 10. So the degree is 10. Firstly, find the sum of power in each term. X power, y power, if there is z, then z power, sum of power in each term. In each term, firstly find sum of all power. Then check the maximum power, that is the 6 plus 4, 10. So degree of this algebraic expression is 10. ये basic है आपका. The basic of algebraic expression is complete. Now we will start with exercise 6.1. Now we are doing some question on the basis of this. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Find out the degree of the given polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means there are the polynomial. Polynomial and algebraic expression are same. So degree of the polynomial. First question: 6x cube plus 3x square plus 7x plus 5. Algebraic expression in one variable. Clear? In one variable. The maximum power of variable is 3. So the degree is equals to 3. Remaining question by do yourself. Question number 2. Question number 2, identify the like term. Like term find करने. The variable part same है. That are the like term. तो आपने चेकआउट कर लेना. Like term find करने. Question number 3. Which of the given below expression are polynomial? The condition for polynomial, ये पार्ट थोड़ा बाकी रहेगा, वापस रिपीट कर. The condition for polynomial, the power, या we can say power of variable should be positive, should be must be positive. The power of variable must be positive. Second, power of variable must be a natural number. It means power of variable must be positive. Negative power नहीं होना चाहिए. Like this x power -4. So this is not a algebraic expression. This is not a polynomial because here the power of variable is -4. So we will accept only positive power, not negative power. If there is x power -4 is the power of variable is negative, so that is not a polynomial. Here power of variable must be natural number. If there is a x power 1/3, 2x power 1/2, 3x power 7/3. These are in the fraction form. Fraction form है, but simple fraction है, standard form में है. After 1/3 is not a natural number, so we can say these are not, the power of variable is not a natural number. It means these are not algebraic expressions, these are not a polynomial. If it is given like this, x power 9/3, 9/3, it means completely 3. It means this is the x power 3 and 3 is a natural. तो आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा firstly the power of variable is a natural number or in the fraction form. Firstly चेक करना पड़ेगा आपको. Natural number है, then या फिर 9/3 है, completely divisible है, कट हो रहा है, 3 आ रहा है, then it is a polynomial, otherwise it is not a polynomial. Clear? So ये condition है. Example क्वेश्चन करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का फर्स्ट पार्ट में देखो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्या गिवन है? 6x पावर -4 plus 3x square plus 7x minus 6. Here the power of variable is positive, also positive, but in this term the power of variable is -4. So it is not a polynomial because power of variable is नेगेटिव. एंड एक कंडीशन आप और नोट डाउन कर सकते हो कि अपॉन में वेरिएबल नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट्स सी, वेरिएबल शुड नॉट बी इन डिनोमिनेटर. Like as 3x plus 1/y is not a polynomial because here the variable y is at denominator place. So ऐसा condition भी आएगा, algebraic expression होगा, then it is not a polynomial. ये condition है polynomial को check करने के लिए. Question number 4. In question number 4 expression write करने हैं binomial, monomial, trinomial, polynomial, non-polynomial. बाइनोमियल मींस 2 टर्म्स होने चाहिए, तो आपने 2 टर्म्स राइट कर देंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ए पार्ट लाइक एज 3x plus 5, दिस इज ए बाइनोमियल. मोनोमियल, मोनोमियल के लिए एनी टर्म आप सिंगल टर्म राइट कर सकते हैं. 7x. ट्राइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल मींस 3 टर्म्स एंड ईच आर डिफरेंट. 3x square 7x plus 3. These 3 terms are different. These 3 terms are different and unlike terms because it are not adding. Question number D. Polynomial means having more than 3 terms are known as polynomial. More than 3 terms. 2x power 3 plus 3x square plus 7xy plus 9. These are polynomial in 2 variable because here are the 2 variables. And in the E part, नॉन पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स पावर मस्ट बी नेगेटिव, नॉन पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स पावर नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए। तो 2x पावर -5 3x plus 7 it means this is a non polynomial because here the variable power of variable is negative। तो वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड 6 आप सेल्फ करें, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन के क्वेश्चन है, आपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी स्टडी किए हैं। 5 to 6 क्वेश्चन है तो आप सेल्फ करेंगे। सो एक्सरसाइज 6.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आपका होमवर्क है। If there is any doubt then you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.